Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, Mitsubishi L200 cabin filter, location and replacement. Many people have asked me where it is, so I'm just going to make this quick video today to show you exactly where it is and how to change it on a 2020 L200 Warrior. Cabin filter is located on the passenger side, just behind the glove box. So if we open up the glove box, wow. And if we look down the side here, you can see it's got like a little damper that makes it come down nice and slow. So what we need to do is pinch the end of that and pull the damper off. I'll try and do that now one-handed. So pop that off just like that. And then you've got two little tabs holding it on, one there, one there. Cabin filter is located just behind it in that little black box. So all we do is pull this to the side, pull this one to the side, and that'll let the glove box fall all the way down. So now we can have access to our cabin filter. And all you got is a little plastic clip on the side here, and then one on the other side. Pull that front cover off, and what do you know, 20 plate first time it's having a cabin filter fitted. So with the new cabin filter, you see I've got a man one here, airflow directional, and the airflow will be going down in here. So we just pop that in like that, and then you can pop your cover back on. Just like that, make sure it's clipped in both sides. Then you can lift the glove box up and that just pops into place. Not forgetting your damper on the side. That just pushes back on, just like that. And then we shut the glove box. And that's just a quick video to show you how to change your cabin filter or pollen filter in a Mitsubishi L200. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really does help and we can make a lot more content. And I'll see you guys in the next one.